Aluminum cans have their own place in these designs. Flattened, they're used as shingles for roofing, creating lightweight, reflective covers that bounce back heat. Stacked like bricks, they become walls, and when plastered over, you'd never know they were there. Builders say they insulate surprisingly well, keeping heat in during winter and out during summer. The idea that yesterday's soda can could be part of a family's warm home tomorrow is kind of mind-blowing. Old shipping pallets are like hidden treasure in the world of trash building. Companies throw them away by the thousands, but with a bit of imagination, pallets can become entire houses. Walls framed with pallets, floors covered in polished pallet wood, ceilings made from reworked boards. It all comes together into cozy, rustic homes. Some communities have built pallet housing for under $1,000 per unit. For people struggling to afford even basic rent, pallet houses are a lifeline. The savings are massive. A bottle home might cost $5,000 to build, compared to $150,000 or more for a traditional house. A pallet shelter could cost under $1,000. Earthship-style homes made from tires and bottles can cost $20,000 to $30,000. Still far cheaper than the average mortgage, and they pay for themselves with low bills. For families who could never afford to buy land and a house in the traditional sense, trash homes open the door to ownership, freedom, and stability. Some builders go even further by designing trash homes to be fully off-grid. Rainwater collection systems, solar panels, composting toilets, and gray water recycling all get built right into the design. When you combine these with recycled walls and natural insulation, you end up with a house that has almost no bills at all. That means not just affordable living, but sustainable living. Homes that give as much as they take. What's striking is the artistry. Some trash homes look like sculptures. Builders don't just think about strength, they think about beauty. They create spaces that inspire, that feel alive, that show the world waste doesn't have to be ugly. It can be turned into art that shelters people. For communities, the benefits are multiplied. Imagine hundreds of people building eco-brick houses together. Everyone collects bottles, fills them with sand, and stacks them into walls. Neighbors help each other, and entire towns rise from what used to be waste. That shared effort creates stronger bonds, stronger neighborhoods, and a sense of ownership that money alone can't buy. What's amazing is how comfortable they feel inside. The thick walls block out city noise, and the temperature stays steady. Sunlight filters through bottle walls and soft-colored beams. Families often say it feels peaceful, almost meditative, like the house itself is calming. Trash homes don't just save money, they create a kind of inner peace that's hard to buy. The trend also gives people hope. In places where poverty feels impossible to escape, trash homes offer a real solution. Instead of waiting for governments or banks, people can start building with what's already around them. They don't need permission to collect bottles, they don't need loans to stack tires. The power shifts back into their own hands.